Hey everybody from Costa, I got another load. This is a lot of aluminum pieces and parts that I've collected over time, and I have a place I could store it, so I'm gonna bring these in and let's see what I get. I also have a little bit, real tiny bit of copper wire, and then I have some copper and then a little bit of brass, and let's go check it out. Let's go drive it to the recycle place and find out. Thanks for coming. I can do this hustle, you can do this hustle. Make sure none of it falls out of the truck. Let's see.
All right, we got it all out. So I'm back. I got 5 carts. One got emptied already. Got this cart 2. This cart 3 mixed aluminum. 4 wire. And then the money shot, so to speak, is the copper. I got lucky. I found a big bundle of power line wire. All right, here's how we did. That's our total, 112. That's the variety of the things we had. We had the aluminum painted old sheet, breakage high grade, a little bit of brass, $1.50. The big winner down there is the copper shiny wire that I found. That was $28, not too bad. The other winner was I had a lot of the old painted furniture. You know, it's bulky and weird, but I bring it in all at once. You know, I have a place I could stack this stuff, fill up the truck and come in, and that's not a bad haul. You know, just stack this stuff, driving back and forth to work, and again, be safe, wear your gloves, gotta have that, and not too bad for the week. So anyway, get out there, just sharing. If I can do this stuff, find stuff, get out there and hustle, check it out. This is the current prices, Los Angeles Harbor. November 7th, 2018. Talk to you soon, kids.